Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy holidays to you. And this past weekend, I was part of a white elephant giveaway, and this product was obviously one that was part of it, and I was the second person to steal it. And I love it. It's called the Fuggler Funny Ugly Monster. Never heard of it. I mean, look at this thing. It's so ugly, but it's funny. And I joked with some of my friends because I'm leaving it here in my office, and I said to tell the cleaning team not to feed it after midnight, kind of joking. But there are several different versions of this product, and I'll put a link where you can see all the different versions. Great idea for a gift if you're looking for a gift, or if you've got a white elephant party gift or a white elephant gift giveaway. But it says here, warning, do not shake contents. This mischievous little creature within may generate excessive excitement within their unpredictable personalities. Sleep with your mouth closed and one eye open. Adopt at your own risk. And it's just great. Love it, love it, love it. Although it says for 4 and over. So pretty funny. Let me take it out of the box. But I think it actually is kind of funny to keep it in the box. And this is the little creature. Look at this guy. How funny. And the teeth almost looks like real teeth. So very, very funny. Cute little guy. Makes me laugh when I see him, and he's my little guard dog at my desk. So I wanted to just share this with you. If you are looking for a fun giveaway, then this is definitely one to think about. Absolutely love it, and it's great. And I think within the box and keeping him in the box like it's this little cage, he has to stay in there. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'll put a link where you get more information on this one, as well as many of the others that come in different colors. So have a great holiday season. Do something fun. Great product to give away. And I think you'll definitely get some great laughs. Take care. Thanks for watching.